put a cork in it. Ooh, look at this. These are so excitingly lovely, but curb your enthusiasm. Some lovely pillows for your house in the Hamptons. Maybe I'll invest in one of these. Or one of these rockin' robes. These lovely curtains could lend a hand to blocking out the sun. This is a lovely green, maybe like a cactus green. I need some extra space. Can I borrow one of your shelves? I'm not really into this lamp. Gross. This lampshade is just horrid. All night long, all night, all night. Do you want to build a poster? It's the new and improved Barbie. You get the best of both worlds. I really don't know what to say for this one. You could say that I'm a bit stuck. More like IKEA.